Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I'm going to take a Bangladesh and BGS Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is Assignment-2, Part-2. This is your lecture number 23. Let's see. Assign task and assessment criteria on the basis of revised syllabus due to COVID-19 2020. This is your assignment number 2. There are 2 chapters for your assignment number 2. Chapter 5, Bangladesh and Citizen of Bangladesh, and there is only one lesson from chapter 5. Lesson 1, characteristics of a good citizen, and chapter 6, election system of Bangladesh. There is also only one lesson from chapter 6. Lesson 3, election commission, constituency and code of conduct for election. Answer the following questions. There are 2 questions for your assignment number 2. Number 1, make a work plan on all you have to do to build yourself as a good citizen. I repeat again. Number 1, make a work plan on all you have to do to build yourself as a good citizen. This is from chapter 5. That means you have to make a work plan how you can build yourself as a good citizen, what characteristics you should have to be a good citizen. And number 2, it is from chapter number 6. Describe the codes of conduct of election that are followed in your area during election. I repeat again. Describe the codes of conduct of election that are followed in your area during election. This is from your chapter number 6. That means here you will describe and mention the codes of conduct that are prepared by election commission to be followed by the people of your area during election. So today in my class I will discuss question number 2, and question number 1 will be discussed by your respected teacher Ariful Islam. So this is your part 2, assignment 2, part 2. Let's start our discussion. Lesson 3, election commission, constituency and code of conduct for election. I am discussing question number 2, the codes of conduct for election that are followed in your locality. In election system, the citizens get the opportunity to elect their representative through secret ballot. A free and fair election creates the bridge between the government and citizens. To organize election, there is an institution called Election Commission. One of the main tasks of Election Commission is to prepare a normal and peaceful environment for free and fair election. You know that for holding a free and fair election, a peaceful environment is needed where nobody is allowed to make any disturbance and chaos. For this reason, the Commission prepares a list of principles of how the people of the constituency or election area would behave. This is called Code of Conduct. Let's see the codes of conduct for election. No procession or rally is permitted when submitting the nomination paper. The next point is writing on the wall or sticking posters on the wall is not allowed. People or the competitors can write on wall or stick posters before election, but when the election, the selected day of election appears, they are not allowed to do these things. Point 3, meeting cannot be held on the streets and roads. 4, posters can be hung on carts and placards can be used. Number 5, No gates and lightning for publicity are permitted. In the day of election, in the time of election, no publicity is allowed. Motorcycles or any other vehicles is not permitted to rally. And the last point is, voters cannot be gifted with anything and served with tea or drinks in the camps. In the camps means in the voting camps, the competitors are not allowed to give anything to the voters or serve them or offer them tea or any kind of drinks. So these are the codes of conduct for election. If anybody violates this code of conduct, the election commission can take necessary steps for against that person or that people. Even the nomination of the competitors can be cancelled. So these are the codes of the conduct for the election in your locality or any locality. You will prepare the question in your own sentences, in your own ways. Take help from your textbook. You must read the textbook again and again, and prepare the assignment very carefully and without any spelling mistake and grammatical mistake. Try to introduce yourself in your own idea with your own ideas and show your creativity in the writing. Okay, so I hope that you have understood today's discussion. If you have any further question, you can contact me. This is my name and mobile number, and this is my messenger ID, Mahmudur Rahman Soel. You can contact me through this medium. So take care of yourself and prepare your assignment properly. Abide by your parents. Take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.